Hello friends, today we are going to see how to compare two strings. Okay, so here character S1 and character S2 are the two arrays of character type. First of all, cout enter the first string. Here I have entered the first string. Cout enter the second string, and here I have input the second string. Now this is the main function. This is the important function. If strcmp, this is string compare function. If strcmp, these both are the parameters S1 and S2. That means the first string and the second strings is equal to 0. This means if string compare string 1 and string 2 are equal, then what we have to print? We have to print strings are equal. Else we have to print strings are not equal. This is a very simple function, string compare function, which compares two strings. Now let's run the program. Okay, enter the first string. Let's enter hello world. The second string is also hello world. So these are same. Strings are equal. You see here strings are equal. Now let's try for the second time. We will input the same string. First is hello world. The second will also be the hello world, but with H capital. Hello world. So hypothetically, both the strings are equal. See, both the strings are same, hello world and hello world. So let's see the output. Look here. It is written strings are not equal. Why? Because this function is case sensitive. This means if we will input once a small letter and secondly the capital letter, that means the strings will not be equal. So what to do if we want to ignore the case sensitivity? That means we don't care about whether the letter is capital or small. Okay, so we have to do nothing, just put I here. Okay, here string compare I. This will neglect the case sensitivity. Okay, let's try and run again. We will do the same thing. It's taking a little time. Okay, this is the output window. Please remember, I have put a I letter. Okay, I letter. This will neglect the case sensitivity of the two strings. Okay, let's try again. Hello world. Now enter the second string. H capital. Hello world. You see, now the two strings are equal. It has ignored the case sensitivity. It doesn't matter whether the H is small or capital. So these two are the functions, string compare and string compare with an I. I hope the video was clear to everyone. Thank you friends.